Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to open the Mitsubishi Outlander bonnet. It's a simple process once you know where to look. First, you'll need to find the primary bonnet release lever inside the vehicle. This lever is usually located on the driver's side, often near the door sill or beneath the dashboard. Give it a firm pull, and you should hear a distinct click as the bonnet unlatches slightly. Once the primary latch is released, head to the front of your Mitsubishi Outlander. The bonnet will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand into the gap, right under the front edge of the bonnet, above the grille. You'll feel for a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the bonnet from flying open accidentally. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to one side or lift it upwards. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now gently lift the bonnet all the way up. It might feel a little heavy, so be prepared. Next, look for the bonnet support rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Take the rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot or hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the bonnet stays safely open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the support rod from its slot and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. From this height, give it a firm, even push downwards. You should hear a satisfying click, indicating that both latches have engaged and the bonnet is securely closed. Always double-check it's fully latched before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.